Fight of the Monkey and the Crab. とんと昔あったとさ。Once upon a time, a monkey found the seed of a persimmon, or kaki, on the ground, and a crab found a rice ball. The monkey wanted the crab's rice ball as well, and he said, "Crab, Crab, once you eat the rice ball, you'll have it no more. I'll trade you your rice ball for this seed, which will give you lots of kaki." And the crab traded the rice ball for the kaki seed. When the crab went home, he planted the seed in his garden. He watered it every day, saying to the seed, "Sprout quickly, kaki seed. If you don't sprout, I'll cut you up with my pincer cloth." The kaki seed hastily sprouted a little shoot. The crab watered the shoot every day, again saying, "Grow to a tree quickly, kaki shoot. If you don't grow to a tree..."